Today, we are going to have a look at the MiniBrands collector's case. Actually, it's the MiniBrands Series 2 collector's case. They say on the package that you get 4 exclusive minis inside, which means it should just be minis that are minis that you can get only in the collector's case. And here on the shopping list, you can actually see which ones are. They have this pink square around them, and that symbol there, the diamond, if you look on the back, it will actually say that it's a collector's case exclusive. The thing is, I only see 3 minis on the shopping list that has that pink square, and I'm really curious to see what's the 4th one. Alright, let's open it up and see exactly which one is the 4th mini. By the way, I don't know about everyone else, but I still didn't find the Babybels and the Laughing Cow Cheese. Yeah, there's still a lot of them that I didn't find. Alright, here's the big reveal. Let's see. Oh, so it was the Gold Ketchup. That is a pretty nice surprise. And then we have the unicorn mac and cheese here, the Thai coconut milk, and French's mustard. Let's have a closer look at each one of them. This is the Thai coconut milk. It looks really nice. I like how detailed they are. Then we have the French's yellow mustard. This looks pretty cool. It looks exactly like the real thing. I mean, the color is spot on, everything. Then we have the unicorn mac and cheese from Kraft. I honestly never saw these in the store. I mean, I never paid attention. I never looked for them, but I don't know, for some reason I never saw them in the store. I'm guessing they taste exactly like the regular mac and cheese. It's just that the macaroni is in different shapes. I'm not sure, but if you tried it, let me know. And of course, last but not least, we have the Gold Ketchup. Now, this is one of the super rare ones, and I'm really happy to have it. This is the first one I got. There's another gold one that I don't have, which is the Babybel golden one. But now I have all the others thanks to the collector's case. I really hoped these cases would contain the Babybel and the Laughing Cow, because those seem to be even more rare than the super rare and the gold ones. Yep, there it is, the Babybel gold that I don't have. And then I don't have that one, these ones here. I'm guessing it's a really nice marketing strategy to get more sales, where they don't release all of them at once. Although if you ask me, they kind of should do that, because they advertise that these are the ones that you can actually get in the MiniBrands balls and also in the collector's case. So I think it would have been nice if you can collect them all and you don't have to wait a few months to get the other ones. Because honestly, I think this is what they do. They release, the new series, and then they have most of them, but not all of them, so that it's like a incentive for people to buy more once they release the other ones. Now, I don't expect this, but I would be really happy if not all the collector's cases have the same items. So let's open up another one and see. Okay. Yep. I think we might get the same minis in all the cases. Or maybe we just got a double. Okay, let's open up another one. Maybe not all the cases have the same items inside, and maybe I just got a double. No, okay. What are the chances that you get to open 3 cases and they all have, exactly the same items? Unless they actually do have the same items in all collector's cases. I mean, I get it. On the shopping list it actually says, those are collector's cases exclusives. But since we got the gold one, which is not a collector's case exclusive, I was hoping that, maybe there would be the 3 that are collector's case exclusives and then another one. So let's see. No, yep, okay. So definitely all the cases, at least, this batch of cases, have the same items inside. Since I'm collecting these, I don't think I'm gonna open this last one. I'm just gonna keep it as it is, all sealed and wrapped nicely. It would be really funny if actually that case that I didn't open contains different minis. You know what? Let's try and fill these cases up. I mean, I know there's still a few that I don't have, but I have most of them. And I think by a few, I just mean the Babybel and also the Laughing Cow Wedges. For this part, why don't we just speed it up? Oh, and before we do, yes, all the organizers that you see over there are full of minis, mostly doubles. I don't keep the ones I collect in these organizers. I actually have them in a different place. These are just all the doubles that I have. During this time lapse, I just want to let you know that if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. I mean, it only makes sense, right? If you like the video, why not actually click that button? And to be honest, it actually helps me because then the video will be recommended to other people that are interested in the same topic, which is MiniBrands in this case. Also, if you have any suggestions for future videos, I mean, I have all these doubles here that I can do, all kinds of cool videos with. Just let me know, write a comment. I read all my comments, which are non-existent at the moment, but I'm confident this channel will eventually have some followers. And last but not least, why not subscribe and click that notification bell button thingy so that you get notified every time I post a new video. I'm usually trying to get a new video out every single week, and so far I've been pretty good about that. I think I just missed 1 week, which was during the holidays, but other than that, I put videos of different things, from MiniBrands to food review to, I don't know, we'll see in the future what else I'm gonna upload and make videos about. I honestly don't have a specific theme for this channel. Whatever I'm passionate about or interested in, I'm just gonna do a video about and share it with everyone. This is actually my collection. This is where I keep them, and whenever I have a new one, I just add it in here. It seems like I don't have a double at the moment for the fries, so I'm just gonna use one from my collection just to show you how it looks. Of course, like I said before, I'm still looking for the Babybel and for the Laughing Cow wedges. But this is what I have. So this is how it looks when you fill up the case, and it actually holds them pretty nicely. It's kind of hard to sometimes, push them inside, especially the ones that are made from cardboard, because it almost feels as if you're gonna break them. But trust me, they made this case really nicely. I mean, it's plastic, but it's a really nice case to hold them in and to display. Well, you can't display yet because you still need the Laughing Cow wedges and the Babybel.